This is video for routine 101 of the Showmatrix game. First starts out with TW tall and wide to 85 to 82, X and Y position to 1032, a color yellow 990, and does a rectangle fill. Then it sets XY position to 1530, a font of bold 12 points for 12, color 0, which is black, sets J to 0. Then for I of 1 to 5 down here, I mean it's going to go around here 5 times, it's going to show some text from page A, and each time it's going to add 128 to J because these are lines on page A, but only 15 to the Y position to drop it down a little bit. Then it's going to do tall wide 175, 552, XY position of 430 and 30, a color of 349, which is a light blue, and do a rectangle fill. Well, let's see what it has done so far here. We'll execute the program. Made this yellow box, and then it put these instructions in the yellow box, and at the end it made this blue box. Now I've highlighted the rest of the instructions in this routine. It sets XY to 425, 45, a color to 900, which is a light red, does a font for 12 points, then for I of 0, the next I 110, 10 at a time, it's going to put a number into the side of that blue box. But it wants it to start out with zeros. So it adds 100 to it, so it will have zeros in it, but then those zeros will never be shown. As it goes around, it adds 14 to Y to drop it down. So for each one of the rows, it's going to put a number in front of it. Then it sets the color to black, XY position of 470, 45, and uses the control registers of L, M, and N for this box number action right here where it shows the matrix. Well, let's execute it. First thing it did was it put these numbers in red on the side of the blue box, starting with 0. Then it put the numbers into the blue box. This is the matrix that it put there. Alright, this is the end of this video for Showmatrix.